What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. You know, somebody asked a great question on one of my recent videos. How have the new leather seats been holding up that I put in the car? So if you've been keeping up, then you know about 3 months ago I did put new white leather seat covers, OEM from Lexus, into the car to get ready for Toyota Fest. I did that because the previous owner did not take care of them at all, and yeah, he pretty much dogged them. So I'm actually heading to the car wash bays right now, and I'll show you guys how the seats have held up. And you know, only thing I've really been doing with them, besides daily driving, because this is my daily driver, is every 3 months cleaning and then applying the Gion, I think it's leather coat. And that's all I've been doing to the seats. So I'll show you guys when we get to the car wash bays how the seats have held up. But for now, we'll just enjoy some LC sounds on the highway. No external mics, just interior cabin noise. Never get over that sound. Oh man, dude. This engine is amazing. All right, enough playing around. Let's get to the car wash bay. All right, so just finished washing the car. Looking oh so good. That color when the sun's out just pops so much. But I will show you guys the white seats like this video is all about. You can see here, they still look brand new. So remember, I replaced the bolsters and the seat bottoms on the driver's side. I'll get a little closer for you guys so you can see. It's all still looking just as new as when I got it. No scuff, no wrinkles, no scratches in it. Only thing I've been applying is the Gion leather coat. The center section I left, I didn't change that part. But yeah, even the bolsters are holding up well. But you also got to know how to get in and out of a car with bolsters to minimize you rubbing against the leather and causing it to get any scratches. So same thing with the passenger side, the seat bottoms I changed. You can see, still looking brand new. All right, guys. Thank you for tuning in. That'll be the end of this video. Nice quick one. About to head out. Actually, I need some water because it's hot as hell in here. But see you guys the next time. Peace.